So what am I saying? I decided that for date night, we are going to be making pork belly. So now we're going to get into making our marinade. Let's get started. Hannah, to help me with this.
With pleasure.
Yes, so this goes in here and then the marinade.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So you're like not wasting any of those juices?
No, it's gonna be so nice and sticky and flavorful. You wanna get that, try get it like everywhere. So
Awesome.
rub, rub, rub.
Here we go.
How pretty?
It's amazing. I'm very, very excited now.
This baby goes in the oven. So in here is our marinade. You wanna simmer this on a very low heat. You don't want it to burn. So now it's time for the big reveal. Hannah, where's my belly?
It's here and it looks incredible.
Amazing.
Oh, you're cutting into it like butter.
Yes.
That looks
Oh, look at that.
So beautiful and it's perfectly cooked. Juicy.